Hello everyone, welcome to NextCart tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from OpenCart to BigCommerce. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen, you'll notice two main sections, the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is OpenCart, and the target cart is where your data will be transferred to BigCommerce. Okay, you can see here, in OpenCart, it requires two things, the store URL and Kit Connect file. And on the other side, BigCommerce needs four things, the store URL, API path, client ID, and access token. I will begin with OpenCart, heading to the OpenCart section. Now, I'm in OpenCart's dashboard. To get the exact URL of an OpenCart store, you suffer to the right of the top, point to this avatar with name, and click slightly to your store in the store section. It will automatically open another tab. This time you just copy this URL at the top like I'm doing right here. I will move back to the Next Cart tab and paste this link in here. Next up, I'll need to download this Kit Connect file. This is a special connection tool that helps to synchronize your data between the two platforms securely. If you haven't connected the Kit Connect folder with OpenCart, you'll see a notification error when clicking to check the Kit Connect URL link, page not found, and 404 error in the tab name. Okay, let's come back to the Next Cart tab. You click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you will see the zip folder located at the top right corner. You click Show in Folder. This is the Kit Connect file I'm talking about. All you have to do is click on Extract All to unzip the folder. Click Extract below to navigate. You can see here, there are two files inside like this. Now, we need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from your computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. Here, I go into the OpenCart folder. Now, all you have to do is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside, to the right panel of OpenCart, just like I'm doing here. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a File Transfer Successful notification at the bottom of the screen. At the same time, you also see the Kit Connect folder added here. I will check the blue Kit Connect URL link once again. Yes, the message confirms that the connection has been successfully installed. All right, the OpenCart is all done. I will switch over to the BigCommerce section. Okay, let's go into the BigCommerce store to get shop's URL first. On the bottom left, click on Channels. Under the Storefronts section, copy the blue URL link shown here. Then, come back to Next Cart and paste it in here. I move back to BigCommerce once again. On the bottom left, I'll go into your settings, scroll down a little bit, and then click on Store Level API Accounts in API field. From here, I'll click on Create API Account at the top and give it a name. For this video, I'm just going to name it shortly as OpenCart to BigCommerce. Then I scroll down, pick 10 settings as I will pick in here, and change them to Modify. After transferring the settings done, I hit Save to create the BigCommerce API. Once that's done, BigCommerce API credentials table will appear immediately, and at the same time, the file contains all the three API configuration that we need to fill in. It displays fully here: API path, client ID, and access token. Now we head back to the Next Cart tab to paste them. API path is the last line. Client ID is on the third line. And access token is on the first line. Everything's all set now. I click on Next Step to move on to the configuration part of the migration. Now I'm on the configuration screen. Under Entity Selection, I'll choose the types of data I want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, but since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. And because this is just a demo version, I can't select the reviews and coupons as well. In the Additional Options section, I will pick 4 options as clear data on your target store before the migration, strip HTML tags from category and product names, import descriptions, images to your target store, and migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages. For the Advanced Attributes Mapping section, the system will automatically select your default demo store and default location based on your store settings. In this customer grouping mapping, I set default to guest. For retail and wholesale, I will still remain. Now let's go through the mapping of order statuses to payment statuses. Pending still stays the same. Processing is mapped to awaiting fulfillment. Shipped goes to completed. Complete will remain completed. Canceled remains the same. Denied set to declined. Canceled reversal remains the same. Failed will be mapped to canceled. Refunded is refunded. And reversed set to refunded as well. Chargeback will also be mapped to refunded. Expired set to canceled. Processed set to completed. And finally, voided will be mapped to canceled. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. In this process, the migration will begin, and I'll speed up the video a little bit to show you how all the data is being transferred. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification that covers all the steps for migrating your data from OpenCart to BigCommerce by using NextCart. Okay, now let's switch over to BigCommerce and check if the data has been migrated correctly. I will check products first. Yes, all products are here. Nothing is missing or messed up. 8 categories are well organized with a clear structure. The order is fine. These 3 orders are already switched to pending. The Customers section is fully displayed here. Everything is in place. Perfect! I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these 2 platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and buy the Pro version. You click Purchase Now, then choose the entity limit you want. Right below, you'll see the VIP Service add-on with 3 options displayed on the screen. With these options, our technicians will customize and execute the migration process based on your specific requirements. After making the selection done, hit on Buy It Now. Besides, if you're having any issues or have questions, just submit a help desk ticket. Enter your frequently used email in Requester, the subject, and the content of your question, then attach a file as a screenshot instead, and hit Submit. Our technicians will receive the information, assist, and sort out any issues you might have. Feel free to open a ticket anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!